Do you have boyfriend? I don't have. Honey, why you don't have? Pity my bottle. You don't have boyfriend. And it's okay, honey. That's you don't have boyfriend. But you want? And take the nail? Huh? Huh? You want to the nail? Yes, please. No, you don't have boyfriend. It's okay. I want this the nail. Okay? Pink color. Honey, you don't have boyfriend. Huh? It's okay. Okay. Money. Sorry, I don't have money. What? Hello, police. He take my money. I take my bag. She don't give me money. I help the pink color. Now he hit me and now push me and she did like this. Bye. Danny.